Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to update the firmware on TREZOR Model T. To do it, simply go to Settings in TREZOR Suite. Now go to Device and then you'll be able to find Version in Firmware. Then you can see mine is up to date, so I don't need to update it. If yours is not, then you'll have an option to update it. And even if it's up to date, but you feel like something's not working correctly, you can click on up to date here. Then you can continue and it'll reinstall the firmware again, the same one basically, to make sure it works perfectly fine. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.